Hey everyone, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services, and I want to come to you today with a little information about our demo module. And as you know, if you've listened to me at any time, you know I have a 3-step process for my clients to win and win consistently. And this is another area when we talk about the demo, which is a great trade to do. So if demo is your trade, if this is something you're interested in, or if you're interested in maybe purchasing a self-study, self-page module related to demo, stay tuned, take a listen, and enjoy the music along with Stacy. All right, so what is our 3-step process? Well, of course, the first step is always the takeoff, and you always have to have a very accurate takeoff. That is the key. That is the golden nugget of a very tight competitive estimate. And so the only way to do that is to make sure that you have a takeoff software that allows you to be accurate. So we always recommend, and we have used for 14 years now, Plan Swift, that helps us to accurately determine the takeoffs. Make sure you always set the scale and find a way to confirm that it is correct. Usually what you can do, a door jamb is usually 3 feet to 3 feet 6 inches wide. And so if you can measure that, then your plans are usually to scale. But with Plan Swift, it's really easy to tell if a set is to scale because they'll be very clear like this. If they're fuzzy, they're usually not. Okay, so demo. We could demo site work. And so in the module, we'll be going over the types of equipment and the cost of the equipment and what is to be considered when we talk about site demo and what typically the components involved in site demo. So we'll be, demoing concrete, asphalt. What's the correct way to do that, right? When you demo concrete asphalt, there's a linear total associated with that, as well as a square foot or a cubic yard if you want to change it into that total associated with it. So I make sure you know how to measure anything that's going to be demoed. Okay, so step 1 is always that very accurate takeoff. So we'll go over site demo, so outside the building demo, and we'll also concentrate on inside the building demo and what, again, the items that you need in addition to just demoing stuff. What do you need? Equipment. You need to have a disposal mechanism or be able to determine how you do that. And so I'll walk you through all that. You never have to worry. That's step 1, demoing doors, demoing sinks. Okay, step 1. Step 2 is always pricing. And so we go over the cost book. That's going to be in our construction cost book. And the good thing about when you purchase a module, when you're a student of mine, you get free access to this for life. We change the password every month, but we provide that. We get that to you. So this step 2 is vital as well if you want to show that you're a professional, because our step 2 within the confines of this cost book is going to help you determine how many man hours for each operation, whatever you're doing, whatever you're demoing. There is a construction industry standard related to how long that takes. And so we walk you through that, help you think that way instead of just, I'm going to do it for $1,500. Well, 9 times out of 10, you're cheating yourself. Okay, so our step 2 is to give you an accurate mechanism to get your pricing on your fingertips and not have to wait for the supplier and all of that good stuff. But more and most and more, I want to say them both at the same time. Most importantly is that man hour total, because you want to be able to, for a lot of reasons. We have a lot of people that did that great resignation thing I did 15 years ago. Now they're on their own, and now they have to do these estimates, and they have to know how to do them right. And so when you purchase a module, whether it's the demo, framing, drywall, underground utilities, the whole, and I'm starting here with demo because I'm going to have a presentation of every one that I do purchase or you can purchase that I have produced. so you can see what we go through. But the most important part, you keep this cost book for life at my expense, for you for life, and I show you how to use it. That's step 2. Step 3, and I don't think that I opened a demo estimate, so let me just open up one anyway. Step 3 is the professionally designed Excel spreadsheet based on the trade, and so we show you what should be on your, this is for, of course, plumbing. We show you what should be there. Okay, things you don't think about, but we know that should be there. Okay, so that's step 3. So professional module, self-paced. Now the best part, and that's why I was showing this Fairfield in, that's both an addition and a renovation. Along with the modules, you can also purchase increasingly more difficult estimates that have step 1, step 2, step 3 already in it, that you can review time and time again, so you'll know, because there's a different technique for everything, every trade. If you're doing an office building, you need to think about that takeoff and the way you do that differently than if you're doing a kitchen, than if you're doing a Fairfield in with multiple units of different types. So I would definitely recommend that as an addition to the module. So if you have any questions at all about any of this, please contact me through the comment section. Let me know what you thought about the whole concept, and we hope to see you very soon. Make sure to subscribe. See you next time. Let's take it out with calm.